We walk this earth with confidence, believing we are its masters, building cities, digging deep, and mapping every inch. But what if we're just ants on the skin of a giant? What if beneath our feet lies a system more complex and powerful than we imagine? The spiral vein theory challenges our understanding, suggesting Earth is not just a rock, but a living organism with a pulse and veins of energy. Science describes tectonic plates and magma as mechanical processes, but this theory paints a picture of a planet with its own circulatory system. Earthquakes, mountains, and volcanoes might not be random. They could be the planet's way of maintaining balance, just as our bodies do. Imagine vast, shimmering rivers of energy spiraling through the mantle, pulsing with a rhythm older than life itself. For centuries, we've looked to the stars for answers, but perhaps the truth lies beneath us, in the hum of the world below. This journey asks us to open our minds to possibilities at the edge of science. We must see Earth not as a resource, but as an interconnected organism. Ancient myths spoke of ley lines and Earth energies. Were these just stories, or early attempts to describe a real phenomenon? With all our technology, have we become blind to what our ancestors sensed? The truth of our connection to this planet may be buried deeper than any mine. To understand, we must suspend disbelief and look at the world anew. The spiral vein theory invites us to rediscover the living Earth beneath our feet. The spiral vein theory envisions Earth as laced with massive subterranean channels, electromagnetic rivers, not physical tunnels. These channels carry a plasma-like energy, generated by the spinning core and influenced by cosmic radiation. They're dynamic, shifting and pulsing like arteries, spiraling deep within the mantle in geometric patterns. This energy is described as a cool, luminous plasma, charged and guided by the planet's magnetic fields. Liquid lightning beneath our feet. These veins distribute energy from core to crust, nourishing the planet and maintaining its magnetic shield. The flow follows a rhythmic cycle, like a heartbeat, spiraling from pole to pole, with regional branches, perhaps the ley lines of legend. The health of Earth's ecosystem may depend on the uninterrupted flow through these hidden veins. The ground beneath us is not inert. It's the skin over a complex network of power. The faint hums some hear in remote places could be the vibration of these energy rivers. We may be living atop a being whose true vitality is hidden in the planet's depths. This concept forces us to reconsider the very nature of our world. The spiral vein theory presents Earth as a dynamic, energetic system. What if the planet's lifeblood is flowing just beneath our feet? The spiral vein theory connects ancient megalithic sites to Earth's energy grid. Structures like the pyramids and Stonehenge weren't placed randomly. They sit at key intersections where the planet's energy pools near the surface. These sites are like acupuncture points, built with precision to harness and stabilize Earth's energy. The ancients may have intuitively sensed these currents, building not just monuments, but instruments of energetic engineering. Mapping these sites reveals a geometric web, suggesting a planet-spanning blueprint. Civilizations separated by oceans may have shared knowledge of these energy hotspots. By building on these points, they entered a symbiotic relationship with the Earth, promoting stability and spiritual connection. This knowledge was likely intuitive, passed down through generations attuned to the planet's pulse. The ancients saw Earth as a living entity, and their sacred architecture helped maintain its balance. They acted as caretakers, ensuring the health of both planet and people. Modern geology sees earthquakes and volcanoes as mechanical events, but the spiral vein theory offers a biological analogy. What if these disasters are symptoms of a planet under stress, blocked arteries or raging fevers? When an energy vein is blocked, pressure builds until it's released in a cataclysmic event. An earthquake tearing the crust apart. Volcanoes, often at fault lines and hotspots, act as pressure release valves for the Earth's energy system. Constricted veins superheat magma, forcing it to erupt and clear the blockage. These events may be the planet's desperate attempts to restore balance, like a body fighting infection. This perspective changes our relationship with disasters. They're not random, but signs of the planet's health. Increasing earthquakes and eruptions could signal that Earth's veins are becoming blocked. We're not just on a restless planet. We're on one showing signs of illness. The Earth is trying to heal itself, and these disasters are side effects of its struggle. Our actions may be contributing to the stress on the planet's circulatory system. Understanding this could change how we respond to natural disasters. The spiral vein theory reframes these events as the planet's call for help. Legends of Atlantis and Lemuria may be echoes of a time when humanity lived in harmony with the planet. The spiral vein theory suggests these civilizations understood and managed the Earth's energy grid, preventing blockages and disasters. They may have used crystals, sound, and consciousness to interact with the spiral veins, drawing clean energy from the planet's lifeblood. Their cities, powered by this energy, thrived without pollution or destruction. They were guardians of the Earth's circulatory system, honoring a sacred contract with the planet. Their downfall, as in the story of Atlantis, may have come from disrupting this balance, drawing too much power, or diverting a major vein. These myths serve as cautionary tales. Disrespecting the Earth's life force leads to destruction. Unlike ancient stewards, modern humanity threatens the Earth's living system through ignorance and exploitation. We drill, frack, and mine, disrupting the planet's energy veins and dismantling its anatomy. Our megacities and mining operations put pressure on sensitive points, while satellites create electromagnetic smog, isolating Earth from cosmic energies. The result is growing instability, seismic activity, shifting poles, and unpredictable weather. The Earth's veins are becoming clogged and damaged, pressure is building, and we may be causing a deeper crisis than climate change alone. We're blocking the arteries of a living world, mistaking its cries for random acts of nature. The planet is showing the strain of our unconscious actions. The analogy between Earth's spiral veins and our circulatory system is striking. Our arteries carry blood, blockages cause crisis. The Earth's veins carry energy, blockages cause earthquakes and eruptions. Our industrial activities are like cholesterol, creating blockages in the planet's vital channels. In traditional Chinese medicine, illness is a blockage of qi, energy flow. Acupuncture restores balance. Ancient megalithic sites can be seen as planetary acupuncture, maintaining the flow of Earth's life force. This isn't just metaphor, it's a shift in perspective. We and the planet are expressions of the same living pattern, governed by flow and balance. When we harm the Earth, we harm ourselves. We are like cells attacking our own body, forgetting we belong to a greater organism. The health of the world and our own are inseparable. Recognizing this connection is the first step to healing. The spiral vein theory asks us to remember our place in the living Earth. The spiral vein theory warns of planetary self-destruction, but also offers hope. If we cause the blockages, we can also clear them by shifting our consciousness. We must see Earth as a living being, not a resource. Technology can work in partnership with the planet. Clean energy, cities aligned with energy flows, and tools to restore balance. Science and ancient wisdom must unite to heal the Earth. By reconnecting with nature and sensing the planet's pulse, we can rediscover harmony. When enough of us act from reverence and connection, our actions will change. We will protect the Earth as we would ourselves. We stand at a crossroads. One path leads to exploitation and instability, the other to rediscovery and stewardship. The spiral vein theory may not be literally true, but its message is clear. Earth is a complex, interconnected system, and our actions have consequences. This story helps us reframe our relationship with the world, giving language to our unease as the planet falters. The final question is not scientific, but personal. Are we ready to listen to the ground beneath our feet? Are we ready to accept the responsibility of being the conscious mind of a living planet? The Earth has pulsed with life for eons, its veins flowing in darkness, waiting. Are we, its children, finally ready to honor its life? The future of our world may depend on our answer.